This is Chris Wooten with Wooten Injury Law in Huntsville, Alabama. And today we're here to answer the question, what is a deposition? Deposition is a term that people hear lawyers use all the time. And anytime you may be watching news coverage involving a high-profile case, or if you're watching a movie or a TV show that involves legal proceedings, you hear people use the term deposition all the time. So, but a lot of times folks wonder, what does that actually mean? A deposition is sworn testimony under oath. That is recorded by a stenographer or court reporter, but that is taken outside of the courtroom. The thing about a deposition is it counts exactly the same as testimony inside the courtroom. It's exactly the same as testifying in court. And in fact, a deposition can be used at court. A lot of times, depositions are taken to find out what everyone's position is in a given legal case, what witnesses may say, what are the claims or defenses being made by either side. On the one hand, that helps both sides prepare for a potential trial, but also it can help if it's a case where you may be able to resolve it through some sort of settlement talks or agreement, because if both sides say, hey, now that we know where you're coming from, now that we know what the witnesses are going to say, maybe we can work this out. On the other hand, sometimes you have a case where once the depositions are taken and both sides find out, hey, if this is what you're claiming, and this is what the witnesses say, there's no way we're going to be able to work this out. So we might as well go and just go and have a trial. This is an important part of modern litigation and modern court proceedings. And you always want to make sure that you have an attorney who's experienced with depositions and who knows how the process works and is there to help you. So if you're in a situation where you got perhaps have a legal claim where you think depositions are going to need to be taken, you want to make sure and talk to an attorney about that. Make sure you've got somebody that's on your side.